Whoa. So this is all at a prison. And not just any prison. This is San Quentin State Penitentiary. These are bad dudes locked up in here. Well, now, gosh, this is a very different situation because the setting and surrounding changes things completely. It's got a psychological element to it. I mean, come on, this isn't any more guys just playing baseball. Now this is something that some grown men have to hold on to dearly as a way to pass 30, 40, 50 years of a criminal sentence. But they have a little fun because of good behavior to be able to do it. I mean, man, so much changes about your perspective when you go ahead and see they're in jail, right? So this no longer becomes just a game of baseball. Now this is a high-pressure, hot commodity that no one wants to lose. So here's something I want to go ahead and take a look at, right? I want you guys to actually do one thing for me, and this is key. Good readers, whenever they notice something that kind of changes the way that a story is going, they don't just go, oh, how about that? Keep on going. They go, wow, this changes everything. And they go back. They go back so that they can kind of wonder, wait, how did this change what I've already read? So actually, I want to go back, and I want you guys to watch part of this clip again, just the first little bit again. And what I want you to do now is, now that you understand the setting more deeply, what new ideas do you have about possible themes that are going on here? What themes might come to mind now that you know that these ball players are playing for real?